Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale and Happy New Year. So this is the January 2024 3 add-on kits. This coordinates with our flavors of the month so it can make it go even further and give you more options. Also check out the Shots of Life. I'll have a link at the end because it can give you more pattern paper and embellishments. It coordinates with the flavors of the month as well. So we're going to dig right in and take a look at everything that you get in the 3 different add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. And with the cardstock, you get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. You'll get 2 of one color and 1 of another. This is great if you do double page layouts and you want to put them on cardstock. So for the At Home from Cartabella, you're going to get 2 sheets of graphite and 1 sheet of Coral Sunset. For the photo play paper, Bros Amazing, you're going to get 2 sheets of Dandelion and 1 sheet of Jetstream. For the Simple Stories Winter Wonderland, you're going to get 2 sheets of the Sky cardstock and 1 sheet of Flamingo. And then Vicki Boutin's collection, the Discover and Create, you're going to get 2 sheets of A Touch of Pink, so it's just a really faint pink color, and Neptune. So lots of colors there, and you can kind of see if you could mix and match any of those. Our next collection we're going to look at, or our next add-on, is going to be the patterned paper add-on. So for the patterned paper add-on, you get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these are duplicates, it's just 2 additional pattern papers. So if you love pattern paper, this is a great way to get more in each one of the collections. So starting with Cartabella At Home, we have this one that could be cut apart. It's all the frames with the different sayings. It's the simple things in life that matter. Home sweet home, build a life you love. And the back is this 2-toned pink with kind of a shelled scallop design. This paper is called Simple Things Sign. And then we have this beautiful floral on the dark navy blue. The back is the green with kind of a floral print, kind of reminds me of wallpaper. This is called Beautiful Chaos Flowers. For the Bros Amazing from Photo Play paper, we're going to get this paper called Bros Icons, which has dinosaurs, the game controller, skateboards, and the back is this orange and yellow print with little geometric shapes. And then I love this one. This one's called Burger Barn, and I don't know about you, but my boy lived on burgers. The back are all of these great words to describe little boys. Amazing, game on, wild one, rad. Then from Simple Stories, Winter Wonder, we have this cut apart. This is the journal element. So this cut apart's geared more for open spaces that you could add journaling to. Super fun. The back is a minty green plaid. We have this fun snowflake on the blue. This paper is called Chilly plus Happy. And the back is a white snowball print on the pink, kind of that corally pink. Then from Vicki Boutin's Discover and Create, we have this paper. That's the typewriter text. It says Magical Days, Discover, right here, right now, thankful and grateful, discover. So lots of little different words. The back is this awesome kind of journaling prompt. I love this. Cut these apart and then you could just do a whole layout. You wouldn't even need photos if you didn't have them. And then just document. And this is a perfect time of the year. You could document at the end of the year what you previously did, or what you want to do in the coming year. So that's a great paper there. This one is the stripe, and then there's a dotted circle in the background. And the back has that same dotted circle in the big and the small. Full branding strip of paper clips. So that is Discover and Create. So one more look at all of the patterned papers. I always get excited seeing all of the patterns and the colors. So that is your patterned paper add-on. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on. So this is always a lot of fun. So you're going to get more embellishments for each one of the collections. And again, none of these will be repeats. So for At Home from Cartabella, you're going to get the chipboard embellishments. Super fun. Love the little chair here and the KitchenAid mixer. Lots of banners, so you can have a lot of fun with that. Bros Amazing has some embellishments here, the die cuts. So you're going to get about a half a pack of the die cut, so these will vary. For the Simple Stories Winter Wonder, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, so everybody will get this. We have a large scalloped in the stripes, lots of word labels, Oh So Cold, and then Cozy Winter Vibes, so that's perfect for titles. Love the little polar bear and the snowman, so lots of embellishments there. And then for Vicki Booten's Discover and Create, you're going to get one of the 6 by 12 sticker sheets. So there are 2 in these packages, so you'll get this one or the other one. But this is the one I got, a scalloped border, some pencils, lots of cute icons that you can do a lot with. So that is your embellishment add-on. One more look at the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Don't forget to download all of your freebies. Check out the other kits that we have available. Check out the double shots of life. Come over to the Facebook group and the blog and check out the challenges, the sketches that we have available. Just have a lot of fun over there. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create this year with your kids.